Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Ayinde, one of the economic developers within the Kringle community. If you look very well on the screen, you will see a man who has one of his leg, the right leg, amputated, and you see him on a bicycle, and you will see a rod stick in his hand, with which he pedals the bicycle, and onward he move ahead, even at a top speed. He used the left leg and the stick in his hand to pedal the bicycle. Irrespective of his condition, irrespective of his amputated leg, he did not allow anything to stop him. He was not limited by his state of being. You and I will see him and we call him an handicapped, but he's not seeing himself as an handicapped. We see him as someone that is being limited, but he's not seeing himself as someone being limited. Don't forget, as our Hebrew admin used to reiterate, all excuses, all impositions are self-induced. All limitations are self-induced. There is no limitation if you are determined to achieve your goal. Today, I challenge every member within the Kringle community. Do not allow anything to limit you. We have our goal to at least get 1 billion people into the community and make them billionaires, others millionaires. Then we have enough of abundance to create enough jobs and to have abundance within our world. Don't forget, in our community, in Kringle Cash community, in the Kringle community, we don't believe in scarcity because the Creator created everything in abundance. So guys, what is that thing that is limiting you? A lot of people complain of payment of the program fee. Something is limiting you. Change your mindset today. Don't allow anything to stop you. Don't allow anything to limit you. The program fee you are paying, you are being rewarded with abundance of coins for it. So you are not losing anything. Rather, we are gaining much. It is time for us to acquire as many coins as we can in preparation for our full economic period. So guys, do not allow anything to limit you. What is that thing that is limiting you? Your mindset, your thoughts? Did you think it's finances? No. In TBC, we have enough room to make more money, especially through the Bitcoin bounties. So guys, come on board. Get education on what we are doing. Get trained. Allow yourself to be tutored rightly, and you will be better for it. So every limitations are self-imposed. What is that limitation that you are imposing on yourself and it's not making you to move forward? It's not allowing you to go forward. It's not allowing you to progress within the community. Guys, today I challenge you. Let go of every limitation. Do away with every limitation. Focus on that which you are going and do all within your best to achieve your goal. TBC is our birthright. Let us indeed change the world for a better place. I live with this word. All limitations are self-imposed. Remove every limitation on your path and you will achieve your goal. God bless you. Thank you. I want you to like this broadcast. And also, you see that bell by your right hand side, click on it and subscribe to it so that you'll be able to get notification anytime I come live. Thank you very much. Love you. And if you are a new person watching this, you are here to join our community. Come on board. Join the Green Community. You will see a link below. Click on that link. Get registered. Call on that number and join our groups. You'll be better for it. Tomorrow will be great. God bless you. Thank you. Love you all.